There it is. Oh yeah, see, that makes life a lot easier.
How do you do it?
I be using the like how I leave it in there. I just get a like a torque wrench or something, and I put in between, put my foot, and just pull it, like push and pull, you know, so it compresses it.
Christ.
That's the way I do it because I don't have the right tools for anything ever.
But when you have the right tools, it's
a lot easier.
Yeah.
You don't struggle. Must be nice to not struggle.
I struggled until I learned there's the right tools for everything.
Facts. Alright, hi peoples of YouTubes. It's been a while since I've talked on this camera. But anyways, the homie's at work and he took his car so he could change his brakes and his rotors because they were making noise. I didn't hear the noise, but apparently it was bad. So this is a good thing right now. Let's go over here so you can see the rotor. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
Anybody trying to buy FRS?
For
cheap, no financing, just 5 racks right now. Could be yours. But once this video goes up, pretty sure we'll be done. So we gotta deliver it back to them.
Trash.
So this is what makes your car stop. Can't you sure you have this on your car?
I do now.
I know you broke everything.
It wasn't there for like a cool minute, but it's there.
Where the fuck? Oh, I can't see this. Trademark.
That was funny. That noise.
You gotta put a little bit of silicone paste on it.
That was like a cartoon noise.
Don't put too much. You don't want to get that wet. And I'll be putting this shit on this because it's gonna get gunked up and it's gonna fucking make your brakes stop working. Only use that for the pads. Do not put it on this, even though it says to, because they're fucking wrong. And it's gonna fuck your day up. Bam. Like butter. Oh, baby, come on. Anybody trying to buy some rotors? All you need is resurfacing. That bitch is heavy, damn!
What do you expect?
The fucking Honda's rotors aren't that heavy.
It's a Honda.
It's a FRS. Honda makes more power than this.
Honda and FRS are two different things.
But the
Hondas are front wheel drive.
Honda makes more power.
But they're also trash because they're front wheel drive.
It's just facts, but
Point made. Ooh, look at that new rotor, boy. Ooh, wet. Wet. Oh, that's wasp, dude. Get out of here. Wait, oh, you can't see him. I'm gonna go look. It gotta be something. It's something. No.
fuck.
And just like that, it's back. I hear a brake noise. So that means he's gonna be stopping like a dime? Or on a dime, that's how you say it. Ha 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 ha. Dude, you're gonna wasp right here. Like, what is your point, sir? Please, explain to me your point. What is it? What's back there? Please. What's your point? Sir.
What do you think? What if there's another wasp back there? You're trying to bust a nut.
Dude, that's sick.
You think wasps bust nuts?
I don't think that's how it works. Dude, your phone.
That's Robert. So how's it going?
Is it gonna focus? This is the person's car we have at the moment, and it's going actually trash. Just tell him that like something's wrong, like nothing will fix, like it won't go back on.
I would say he needs to buy a new.
Just say you need to buy some more rotors. No, say you need to buy some more rotors.
Like wrong rotors.
Oh yeah, do that. She's about to be so hot. Woo! That boy about to be bad. Oh yeah. Let's see how long it takes me to reply.
It's fucking hot.
That's hot.
That's the mood right now, dude.
That's hot.
If you don't live in California, it's been ridiculously hot for too long, and we're not used to this.
Hot. You're gonna put your hat in 120. You shut the fuck up. That's why we don't live there. Because it's hot there. Here it's supposed to be fresh.
That's why we stay here and not over there.
It's 115 the other day. Oh Lord. Felt like I was stepping into an oven. He was like, well, Nick, it's 120. Well, stay your dumb ass there then if you want to stay in that hot ass place. Ain't nobody told you to go there.
Yes, it's very hot. Very hot.
Ready? What?
Got him! Got him! You got scared! Ah.
Oh shit, hold up.
Wow.
He can't hear me. Yes, you can, you liar.
Oh, what happened?
We got you, nigga. You got scared.
I can't hear you.
Yes, he can. He's a damn liar. How do you flip this shit? Oh, there we go.